These pins right here I've only ever seen on Shop Disney. I got one right here, I'm gonna get one more. We found our mystery pins. I did not think we were gonna find them at here, of all places.
Of all places, a Disney gift shop.
Well, yeah, but it's a Disney gift shop at a resort at the butt end of the resort. They didn't have these last night. They just put these out. Because I always specifically look for these and the Haunted Mansion ones.
Just for you.
On our last day, as we're checking out of Coronado Springs. Hey folks, we have another pin review, and it's a mystery pin review. And since we're at Disney World, staying at the Boardwalk, which is right behind us right here, we were like, what better backdrop than this? So we've got 3 boxes here. One is the Haunted Mansion mystery pins, and we got 2 of the Jerrod Maruyama pins that we have become infatuated with. So which ones do you want to start with?
This one.
All right, we got the Haunted Mansion pins. All right, first pin is
it's Constance Hatchaway.
Constance Hatchaway. We do not have that one yet.
Now we do.
Woot woot. That is one we don't have.
All right.
Pin number 2. Oh, it's another organ. I think the only one we're missing is the guy standing on, what's his name? Victor Nitrikoff. The one standing on the barrel. He's the only one we're missing out of the group now because we now have Constance Hatchaway. So not a bad haul.
We got one more that we didn't already have.
50%. So now we'll start with the first pack of Jerrod Maruyama pins.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, which one is it? Which one is it?
We have this one.
No, we do.
It's the
Tower of Terror, bellhop. So exciting. And open up these mystery pins.
I'm going to slice my finger off with
this
plastic knife. Oh, we don't have this one, do we?
Oh, we do not. That is Scuttle on the Little Mermaid ride. Yeah, I'm assuming the one at the Magic Kingdom.
The clamshell.
Yay. So let me review the ones we don't have now. We are missing the White Rabbit. We are missing Donald Duck in the little
car.
And I think that's it. So on to box number 2. We're at 50% success rate.
Also, I made Brandon open these while we were here.
So we could see what we got just in case we needed to get some more.
So we don't have to buy more if we complete the whole set.
Yeah, what's nice is these have only been for sale on Shop Disney, but we've seen them now in 2 resort stores down at Disney World. So I said, let's get some. And there's actually some at the Boardwalk store back here. So if we need to, guess where we're gonna head before we leave. What do we got?
Goofy.
Oh, we got another Goofy in the Jungle Cruise. We're on to our last one here.
Uh-oh, is this going to be a double repeat? What do we think? What do we think?
I'm thinking my fingers are crossed that it's something we don't have. Nope.
Mr. Toad.
Oh, well. But we got one new one, so that's nice.
So now Brandon can buy more.
I think I'm going to buy some more of the Jerrod Maruyama ones and another pack of the Haunted Mansion ones.
If you want, we could go to the Boardwalk store and buy one of each and open it now.
Stay tuned. You might see us in a different spot when we come back. Ready? Let's see where we end up. And we're back. Again, still at the Boardwalk, and you might notice that we've got 2 boxes of pins here of the Jerrod Maruyamas, and you've got 1 box of Haunted Mansion. What do we got? Pin number 1 for the Haunted Mansion. It's those guys again. So frustrating. We need 1 pin. We need Victor Nitrikoff. That's it. That's all we need. If it's not in this one, then we'll just have to wait till our next trip. Is it? Is it? Is it? Did we get him? We're done. We got the whole collection. Victor Nitrikoff was the last one.
Oh, thank the Lord we don't have to buy one of these.
All right. Now, how much were those versus these?
$17.99.
And these were $15.99, but we did get a discount because we used our Disney Visa Chase card. So I think we got like a $5 or something discount. So yay to this one. We'll put that off to the side, and we're going to open up our first pack of, or should I say our third pack of Jerrod Maruyamas. Now let me remind you of the ones we need. Donald Duck in the race car, and we need the White Rabbit in the teacup. Fingers crossed. You're cheating.
What?
Don't cheat.
Orange bird.
Oh, yay. I mean, we have the orange bird, but I like the orange bird. If I'm going to get a duplicate, at least give me a figment. Oh, we got the White Rabbit. That means we need one more. I'm going to be stressing out in this last box. All we need is one more. One more. Just Donald Duck in the little race car at the Speedway in the Magic Kingdom. We got 2 pins, one more pin that we actually need. Have you ever gotten one of these pin packs and both pins been the same pin? We haven't yet.
This is the Tower of Terror.
Tower of Terror, bellhop. All right, well, that's one repeat. We got one more. Don't spoil it. Don't spoil it. I'm not even looking because I already know that it's something that we do have because of the way she goes.
It's Scuttle from the Little Mermaid.
One we didn't have before, now we have 2 of them. Oh, well. We're only missing one. We're doing really good. And the fact that we've seen them at Disney World now makes me feel a little better because maybe when we come back in at the end of June, then we'll be able to buy some more. But I think we're done buying these for now because now it's bordering on obsessive. So we don't want to do that. It's supposed to be fun.
Meet Brandon. Are you a pin collector? Do you collect mystery pins? If you do, what sets have you been collecting? Let us know in the comments below. And until next time, remember,
No capes. And enjoy your pin trading.